Hey guys, and welcome back to another Minecraft video, and today I'm filming at 9 a.m. I am very tired, but guess what we're going to be doing? We're going to be building an airplane. So I'm going to show you how to do that real quick. And make sure to like and subscribe and comment any ideas you have for future videos in the comment section down below. It will really help out. And thanks to my 2 new subscribers. Thank you. It makes me feel a lot better. So yeah, let's get into this. Makes me feel really good. And yeah, let's get into this. New world. Probably should have made it a flat world. Wait, let me delete this world. I should have made it a flat world. Darn it, man. Well, actually, we're gonna build the planes in the sky. How about that? That'll be cool. If this was survival, this would be the luckiest spawn of all time. Why didn't I make this a survival world? Why? Okay. Let's jump up and oh jeez, this guy's crops are gone. Did I block that off? Nah. Looks cool. Too cool. So we're going to start off with some white concrete. Because that looks honestly the smoothest and the best for airplanes. So we're going to start off with that, build up. We're going to be doing a small twin engine propeller plane today, guys, but in the future we will be doing bigger ones. Because this will most likely, and there's irons in. I wish this was a survival world. Okay, well, I think this is high enough. Let's keep that block there. And then, no! No, I dropped it. I hate when I do that. But now here comes the satisfying part, at least for me. Oh, I can't click fast enough. On Xbox, you can just hold down and it breaks them so fast. Okay, let's get up here now. Now, I'm also experimenting with this because I haven't tried this before, but I'm going to try to show you guys and help you guys through it with me. If you have any ideas for other kinds of planes, please comment them in the comment section down below. It will really help out. Like a ton. Let's get some slabs in here. Actually, I probably should have done quartz. I'm gonna do quartz. Is that there? Oh wait. Phew. Is that there? Get rid of that. Okay. I don't need any more white concrete. That does not look as good as quartz, actually. So how am I gonna do this? I'm gonna get the shape of it first. Then, it's gonna be like that length, I guess. Yeah, that's a good length. And then I'm going to need some slabs and stairs under here. Let's start with the slabs. Like that. Then break that like that. Then we're going to have some stairs here, I guess. Like that. Oh, that actually looks pretty nice. Let's try some of those. And there. Or actually, like that. Yeah, I like that. Now, we have to do the outside part. That. So I can break this. Don't need that at the moment. And the outside part. And now, there, we can place blocks in there. what should I use? Okay. Let's do tinted glass. If you aren't able to use this, I suggest then you use, what's the word? Oh, black stained glass, because it looks almost the same. So that's what I would suggest, but yeah. So let's get on the interior now. Stairs for the seats. Polished deep slate. Those look pretty cool usually. There's some seats there. And then need it like that. Oh yeah, that looks pretty good. Now have some stairs like that there. And we're going to add some more stuff here. That looks pretty good actually, guys. Okay. Let's see here. Does that look good for the note? That actually looks really good. I've never made one that looks that good. That actually looks really good. This might be a private jet actually, guys. Let's make it that, not a propeller plane. Private jet, no kidding, guys. The nose looks like a private jet plane nose. Wow, okay. Well, let's build the private jet then. Actually I'm gonna leave that like that. Or do that. How's that look? That looks really good. So I'm gonna do that. Now let's put some slabs here, and you can like rewind and stop the video if you're confused on something, or you need more time to finish it. You can rewind or stop the video for a minute. But yeah, so just so you know, it is a tough build. Wait, that door's gonna be here. Actually, door's gonna be there because the wall for the cockpit I need. Let's see. I need these because it's a private jet. So have it like that. How am I gonna do this? There, 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 there. Then we need blocks like that there, and like that there. There's the nose part of your private jet almost completed. Now we're going to have this here, and then we're going to have the opening for the door right here, like that. Okay, so let's extend this out a little bit now, shall we? So we can have the top of the door too, because that will look pretty good. That'll look pretty good. There, like, no, like that. There we go. Then, whoa, that looks cool. This is probably the best airplane I've ever built, guys, and at least good thing you're here for this, because best plane I've ever built, seriously. There's usually only one door on a private jet like that, so I'm gonna make it a stair door. Let's make it some stairs for a stair door. It's fine, I'll just do a normal iron door. Like that. Like that there. Now, actually I might want to do this. Build that out a little bit. Yes, that looks actually pretty good. Now, make it sure it's the same. 2, 3, 4. Now, we can put the door there. And we'll have a button. And let's have a polished deep slate button because that'll look more contrasty. You need an ender chest here, like that, and then you need a slab on top of it Wait, did he say open under the slab? Yeah, that looks pretty good. Comment down below what you think of this, guys, because to me it looks pretty good. Honestly. Now going to have flight attendant seat be, how about, or we'll only do one, and have the flight attendant seat be there. Okay, now let's put the door here because this is important. Cockpit security, guys. There we go. Okay, now I need one more slab back, and there. Now we can start to make this area here. Sorry, I'm losing my voice. I just woke up. Sorry, I just woke up, guys. I'm kind of losing my voice, if you know what I mean. Yeah, I hope you know what I mean, because it's tough. Yeah. Does that look good? Or does that look better? That looks better. Okay. So, we have that. Let's finish the rest of the private jet. Oh, wait, I forgot the lights. Uh-oh. Forgot the lights. Lights. That won't work, though. Okay, we need some lights here. Let me figure this out. I mean, could use end rods. End rods. I guess we'll use those. Like that. Oh no. Like that. And then that. Well, this is frustrating, guys. And rather, oh, idea. Okay, idea. Let's do this. Yes, I figured out a way for the lights to work. Yay! Okay. So we have a light there, and then let's start building the cabin of the private jet. So the wings and the tail are like the hardest part, in my opinion, honestly. So if you have any good tips for that stuff, please comment them down below. It will really help, because I'm not very that good at it, but I'm decent, like big plane tail sections. So let's put the chairs here like this. Then let's have a little table in between that. Or no, I have a better idea. Slabs, and then we need dark oak instead of quartz. Yeah, that looks better. That looks a lot better. Sorry, guys. Like I just said, I'm losing my voice a little here. Now, let's make it even here. The windows. Now, go. There we go. Now, we can, let's put a light here. This, that. And now, we can do this. That. Okay, so that looks pretty good, actually. Let's see, how does this look? Oh, we need the navigation lights, too. So we need glowstone or something. Let's just put glowstone here. That kind of ruins the look, though. Oh, man. How am I gonna do this? How am I gonna put glowstone for the navigation lights here? I might have an idea. Could see what we have to build with here. Any lights at all? At all? Beacon. There. Now I have the forward navigation light. Let's start working on the cabin a little bit more. So the cabin there. Go. So I just be digesting a little because I just have had breakfast and stuff. But I had a dentist appointment and now teeth are kind of sore, so I'm not going to eat that much of it. I'm just going to have some breakfast. Yeah, if you know what I mean. My teeth are sore. I just got spacers put in. Like 2 in each tooth. I don't know. I don't know what they did. It's just, I know they put spacers in, and it's very uncomfortable. They said it would be for a day or two, but hopefully it'll get better like they said. Okay. Now, jet, go. Here we go. Now let's put this out here. Oh, we need a little TV up here. Painting, little TV up here. There and there. Okay, nice. Now, let's finish this up. So, we have a pretty lengthy private jet at the moment, so we're going to have to do some paint liveries on this. I have an idea for one. We need blue something. What can we use for slabs that are blue? Or we can use black stuff. I think that'll look better since it's a private jet, so my brightness. I need that all the way up. So let's have the bottom of this be like, no, I didn't think of that. Okay, there we go. Like that. Like that. That actually looks not very good. I need these back. We'll do it when I'll figure it out. A livery. We don't really need it that much at the moment. There we go. That looks pretty good now, hopefully. And I might want to add some windows here just for looks. Yeah. Wait. Ah, the door broke again. Darn it. Fix this real quick. There we go. Okay. Now we can continue to work on this after that big mistake I made there. Sorry, I'm not talking that much, guys. Like I said, just woke up, kind of tired. But as long as I'm making videos for you guys, I know you're happy, so that's what makes me happy. Let's now build the couch back here. Now let's put a couch in back here. Okay, I need that first. That. forgot about that part there. Yeah, there we go. Now, I also need to put the walls and windows like that there. And then we can put the tinted glass in. I don't know why I didn't just do this first. Now, boom, 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 boom. And now, there we go. Same thing, we carry it all the way down. And then the roof area. That's the light up there. We need 1, 2, another light like that here. I forgot about the lights, kind of. 1, 2, another one there. Oh, whoops. Didn't mean to do that. There. And now let's work on the couch back here, guys. It'll be, I guess, this. Then we'll have a little table here. That, or not that. Carpet, and then let's make it look this. This will look good with the contrast, actually. And we'll have a little TV here. Now I'm gonna have to make sure the painting is the right size. So I'm gonna have to that, and then no, and then that. And now I have to get down here and do it. There we go, and there we go. Now it's the tail section and the restroom. First of all, though, I need to do this. Rails. Then I need to put these down for the aisle here. And there's the aisle. And yeah, pretty good. Trying to pay so much attention to detail here, guys. There, now I need that end rod. There. Now let's start to work on the tail section. This will be tough though. Oh wait, but first I have to do the laboratory. Yeah, I forgot about that. I don't want to type in the chat. Accidentally hit T, which is my chat button, so yeah, sorry about that, guys. Oh my gosh. Chat just... No! Oh, and we still have the wings and stuff to do too, guys. Just realized. Now we need another iron door here. Some buttons. Because you're gonna have to trust that the person is not in there. Because it's hard to work on. Wish there was a sensor way or like key card for iron doors in Minecraft, but there isn't. So yeah. Well, if you know what I mean, like, yeah. Or like a key or something. Something, yeah. Sorry, guys. Now, I keep dropping things. Whoa, did I actually beat that to the ground? How? You know what, not gonna ask. Now I need to put this like that there. Then some more of that. There will be window here for the outside looks. Then do a window here. But usually there aren't any windows there, so I'm going to not include a window there. But yeah, so there we go. There's the floor. Now we can do the roof a little bit more. There we go. Go. Okay. Now we need a light. Like that. 1, 2, yeah. button. There we go. Now I have a cool way to build toilets that I like, so I'm going to do that, and then I need that, go like that, and then a lever to go like, no, I don't want chat, I want that. Okay, there we go. And I put the lever, that, and flip it up like that. And then we're going to do the sink across from here. Like, let's put some stairs here. I'll just break out of it there and fill it back in. Then I need another lever like that. That is how I do restrooms in Minecraft. Or airplane restrooms. Usually I include a shower too, but not on an airplane. Why would there be a shower on an airplane? Seriously though. And there we go. Now the cargo hold will be back there, but let's start to work on the tail section. Some slabs there. Go. Then there. There we go. Then I'm going to need some more stuff like that there. And I'm going to put a slab there and there. And then I need to do that. And then there. And we're going to add that. Does that look? Oh, it needs to get thinner though too. So that there. And then we're going to include that. And how am I going to do this? Oh, there. So now we have the tail. Or when I tried to make the tail, let's try this here actually. Try to make this look a little bit better. Like, wait, no. Like that and like that. Okay, that looks a little bit better, I feel. Still need something like that though. Yeah, there. Okay, so, oh wait, I forgot this. And that. I need that and that. Like that there. Okay, and now we're going to move on to the tail fin, which hopefully will not be too hard. I'm just going to use like some cool colors here. So I'm just build it first though. Oh. We're going to do that, and that, and then that. And then we need okay. Might need to be a little bit taller and less like forward like that, so going to that there. Get rid of that. And get rid of that. And there. And we don't want it that close to the end. We want it a little bit short of it. Okay. There we go. Then, there we go. So now, actually, let's try to make this even here. There we go. And then we need that. We are going to need that. And how am I? That doesn't look very good. This is too high. We need to get rid of this. Then, oh, I know what I did wrong. Okay. Let's make it a little bit more forward here. That. No, that. But I'm also going to need some stairs here. Okay, that looks better. We're gonna get rid. Oh yeah, that looks a ton better. Actually, there. This is hard, guys. This is a lot harder than you'd think it is. Let me just set the time to day so you can see better, guys. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Or would I like to do that more? Yeah, there we go. I like this more. Comment down below if you think I should do that or that. I mean that, yeah. But I'm gonna stick with that for now. So there's the tail fin so far. Now you need, or no, deep slate. Polished deep slate. So we can do it like that. Okay. I'm gonna get rid of that though, so we can have that again. Now I need gold because it's a VIP thing. So we can put it there, that, like that there. So there's the tail fin, guys, and now we're going to start to work on the engines. So let's put the engines up like this, because it's a smaller jet. So we're going to do that. And then we're going to need some, should I add slabs to that though? Let's, yeah, that's better. There we go. That looks ton better. Yeah. Okay then. Well, let's keep it like that. We're going to start the engines. Do it like this. That is really big. So let's start it like, and then we need that. These engines are way too big, guys. I'm just gonna do this. There. Why can't I get a good engine size though? Let's try this. Oh, I know why. Okay, so I need to add that there, and then I'm going to need that. We're going to need, whoops, under here, and then some stuff there. I need this more in though, so I'm gonna build it there like that. Then there. then there, and we're going to need that there, and then that there. So it's hard with the engines, guys. I don't know. They're a little too high, I think. I'm just going to... It's been a while since I built a plane like this, so let's add them a little bit lower here. This is a lot harder than you think it is. There we go. Then we're going to need a little bit area where the exhaust can get out from the engine, like this. And then I'm gonna add that there, and then there, there, there. So now we have one engine. This is actually a lot bigger of a plane than I thought. Yeah. Well, we have one engine there, and now we need the other one. How am I gonna do this though? Let's put these here. Wait. Oh, it's a slab. Okay. Need slabs like that there, and then need this, then that, 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 then we need the bottom of it here. Yeah, there. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, that's the bottom. Then we need to build out one. There. Oh, that's a little bit small, I think. There we go. So, there are your engines for you guys. Oh wait, I forgot one thing. We have to have it like this here. I'm gonna have that, and then that. Let's add this. There we go. And yeah, so that's one engine. Oh wait, I forgot one. I forgot this. I keep forgetting this. Let's add some of the turbines in it. Let's add some turbines. Uh-oh. Wait, I'm gonna need to do this so the turbines look more proper. There we go. Oh, I did forget that. Okay, so we need there. Let's cover all of this first. Did not want to do that. There. There. Then we need that there. That there. That there. And then need to add that. And then we need the iron bars for the front of the engine, like the turbines and stuff. And there you have it, both of your engines. Now we need to work on the wings, which I feel is much one of the easier parts, but it's still pretty tough. So, which means as I go through this, let's try to add some stuff like that. It's way too small. I need to dig into the mountain there. It's like too long. Then think one more would be good. 1, 2, 3. So that's one wing, and for the length of it, we're going to add some of this stuff now, like that. Then, oh wait, actually, there we go. There we go. Go. Then we need to add this. Keep it like that, and then we're gonna need to do that, and then going to need this, and one more up here, like that. Okay. And we're not gonna have an overwing exit because we just don't have enough space for one anyway. Most private jets don't really have one, so I don't think. But so yeah, gonna add this there. Here we go, and then we need this here. And then there. That's a little bit too big actually. We have to get rid of that. These flaps here, because they won't really work that well. Well, let's add that there. And that there. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Yeah, that looks good. Let's just make sure. Might need it a little bit wider, bigger. Gonna add a little bit more here. There we go. And then need the, oh right, navigation lights. Let's have that there and then green. Or I'm not sure if it's red or green. I think it's, let me Google that real quick. Which side of the boat, because it's the same for boats and plane, is the green light on? Let's see here, guys. One moment, please. Starboard, right side. Okay, good. So this, good thing I did that because this is the side that the red is on. So if you're ever gonna build something like that, make sure you know that stuff. Yeah. So to that done. Or no, there we go. Okay, now we need to I think it's like that, but then we're going to need to do the other wing. But there we go. And now the other wing. Oh wait, but we still have to do this. Or that, and then let's just do, whoops. Let's just do that, and then that there. And then we need the light up here. like that. Okay, cool. Now we're going to need to do the other wing. I'm going to try to copy this. I do not want to do the chat right now, but it's going to be tough, so it might not be exactly, but I'm going to try it to make it exact. So it's one slab under, it's right here, there, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 2, 3. There we go. 1, 2. Whoops, I cannot place slabs today. 2, 3, 3, 2, 3. Oh wait, we need one more here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. And okay, well, I got a Discord message. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 4. I mean, no 3. Oh my gosh, what am I doing? Okay. Now we need this. Okay, there we go. And then we are going to need to do this part. Why do I keep dropping that stuff? Oh my god, he is being so annoying right now. Okay, well. Now I need lime or green, bright green stained glass here. Stained glass here. So like that. And I dropped it again. Okay, well. I think that's it. Let's give you guys a tour through the private jet. So it's a kind of a big one, but still. Oh, I forgot one thing. The underside of this wing. Okay. Okay, so that's the private jet, guys. Now let's do a quick tour. So first off, we have the outside, the cockpit, the lights, the window, the wing, the engines, the tail fin, the other wing. So we have all of that. And then when we go inside, we have the secured door to the cockpit. Let me like this with the 2 pilots, and I forgot to put a button here to get back out. Okay, so we have that. Then we have the cabin, the tables, the couch, and the TV. The TV's up there. Now, I forgot one last thing. We need the rails. Okay. So I'm gonna, oh wait. So I'm gonna do that there. Okay, and then we have the lavatory back here with the toilet, the sink, and stuff like that. And then we go back out and we have a nice view of the sky. And then we have the lights up there and the galley. So let's get outside real quick. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe and comment any ideas you have for future videos. And can you stop calling me? That you have for future videos. And make sure to like and subscribe, like I said. It will really help out. And thanks to those 2 new subscribers. And thanks for watching. Bye, guys.